If you want to start an online business with zero investment, then this video is perfect for you. Today I am going to share 5 online business ideas that you can start without investing any money, and I guarantee that after watching this video, you are going to start your online business and earn money. I know everyone has some talent. Some people are good at speaking, some are good at dancing. You just need the perfect place where you can use your hobbies and make money. But still, if you don't have any talent, then the 5th business idea is for you, because you don't need any talent to do that. So let's get started. The first business idea is affiliate marketing. Well, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote someone else's product or service, and in return, you earn a commission for each sale or action generated through your referral. Imagine this as a fantastic product or service that you genuinely believe in. By becoming an affiliate, you'll get a unique link that tracks your referrals. When someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win business. For instance, if you're interested in joining Amazon's affiliate program, simply visit their website and select the affiliate program option. After signing up, you can generate a referral link for any product and earn a commission if someone makes a purchase through your link. Amazon sells millions of products each day, ranging from clothing to electronics, making it an ideal platform to start your affiliate marketing. To share your referral links, social media platforms like Quora, WhatsApp, and Instagram Bio are excellent options. And Facebook public groups related to your product can also be a great place to share your links. For example, if you're promoting the Harry Potter book, search for Facebook groups related to books and stories to share your referral link. It's essential to share the right product in the right place. In addition to Amazon, you can explore other websites like Binance and SEMrush. Some companies like SEMrush and Grammarly even offer payment if someone signs up through your link, making them an attractive option for beginners. The second idea is to sell your own products. Just think about it. If you can sell others' products through affiliate marketing, then why can't you sell your own product? Instead of earning a commission by selling someone else's product through affiliate marketing, create your own product and sell it on the appropriate platform. For example, you can write an ebook and sell it on social media or Amazon. Create a mobile app or desktop software and sell it on social media, blog or Google Play Store. Or sell your photos on platforms like Shutterstock. You can even make a learning course and sell it on platforms like Udemy. All you need to do is create your own product and sell it on the right platform. The third business idea is content creation. A $1 million business that can be started with zero investment. You can start a YouTube channel, a Facebook page, and accounts on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for free, and upload content regularly. With time, you will gain a large following and can earn money through sponsors, paid promotions, and advertisements. When you have a large number of followers, it will be easy to affiliate or sell your own products. The fourth business idea is freelancing. Freelancing refers to offering your skills, services, or expertise to clients on a project-by-project basis. You can sign up on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer and offer services such as photo editing, voiceover, data entry, etc. with zero investment and earn money online. All the business ideas that I mentioned require some skills, but what if you are a person with zero talent who spends most of the time on social media? Well, my 5th business idea is especially for you. It is called a link shortener advertisement. A link shortener is a tool or service that takes a long, unwieldy URL and converts it into a shorter, more manageable link. When a user clicks on a shortened link, they are redirected to the original long URL. But in the link shortener advertisement, instead of redirecting to the original long URL, they are redirected to a page owned by the link shortening service where the user may encounter one or more advertisements. These ads are displayed for a certain duration before the user is redirected to the original long URL. You can join platforms like Linkvertise, ShortMe, Shortay, etc. and start shortening your links. Do you want to share a Facebook video? Instead of just sharing the original link, shorten it using these websites, and then share. You can earn just by doing that. Simple, right? There are currently about 4.66 billion active internet users in the world. So it is a big marketplace where you can sell everything and earn money. Alright, that's for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe for more awesome content like this. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy earning!